Hi, it's Les with Metcalf Plumbing. We love getting reviews from our customers. If you leave us a 5-star review, we're going to send you a little card that says we're happy that you use Metcalf Plumbing, and it's for $20 off your next service. If you refer a customer to us and they mention your name, you're going to get a gift card either to Dunkin' Donuts or Amazon, and sometimes there's another one in here, but you're going to get a gift card from us if you refers to another customer. So $20 off your next service, gift card. Give us a call. We can take care of you. I like giving away these. And these. So give us a call. We do it all.